Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I made pancakes with my mom, and I'll be listing out things I used for the making of this pancake. So I used my flour, I used my milk, I used egg, I used baking powder. So yeah, that's my milk, my sugar, egg, and baking powder. So yeah, that's my milk and my onion. Okay, so yeah, that's basically all I used, and my salt that you can see right there. And yeah, that's basically all I used for this video.
This is the plate with which I'm going to use in mixing it. We're also going to use vegetable oil when we are ready.
Should be putting in the flour. You can see the quantity on the sieve, and after this she's going to be putting in the salt. You can see how tiny that is, and now baking powder. Note that baking powder is optional. You don't have to use this if you don't have baking powder. That's perfectly fine. And after this, she's going to just mix them together. So you can see she's sieving it in. Yeah, guys. So right now you can see what it looks like, and we put in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yes, so the sugar content depends on you. It totally depends on you. But okay, yeah, this 2 tablespoon. I'm sorry, guys. So after this, we're going to be mixing it, and then we'll be forming a hole. Not really a hole, but a hole though. And then we'll be putting our egg in it. Meanwhile, anytime you're using your egg, make sure you break it in a different bowl in case the egg is rotten or there's something wrong somewhere. So as you can see, we put the egg in a different bowl and we mixed it. You can see we didn't put salt or anything in the egg, we just mixed it that way, and then we poured it into our mixture. So all we did is we kept on mixing it, and at the point we put in our milk, yeah, then water, so that it would be in form of a paste. So now guys, we're done mixing it, and you can see how it looks. Meanwhile, we ended up adding an extra egg. I wanted it to look this way, so yeah, you can see how wonderful it looks. Yeah, so now we're going to be putting in our onion now, guys. And then just you can see we just kept a very little quantity. We didn't use all of that. So some people decide to slice pepper, and then they put a little quantity of their pepper in it, but I'm not putting in pepper. So now it's time to fry. Yeah, so we're going to be putting in very little quantity of oil, very small, and this oil is just going to be on the body. You can see how small it is, and then we'll be taking our mixture and putting it in one after the other. Also take note that while you're doing this, it should be the fire should be at a very very low heat. If not, you're going to end up burning your pancake. That's You're going to end up doing burnt offering. So you make sure it's at a very very low heat, and you're just going to keep on doing this over and over till your mixture is ready.
Here we are. The pancake is ready. We have 5 here. You see, it's not heavy.
So yes guys, that's my mom's voice, and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, press the subscribe button and share. I love you. Bye.